Start-Upper of the Year for Total Fiji Limited. For start-uppers to get their businesses up and running. But if she uncovered to be unethical and lacking transparency is legitimate. The bold steps that she took on behalf of Fiji.
Managing Director of Total Fiji and the management team of Total Fiji. Invited guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen. Bula Vinaka and a very good evening to you all. It is indeed a pleasure to be here today to celebrate the achievements of our young, rewarding and innovative entrepreneurs who participated at the 2018-2019 Total Fiji Start-Upper of the Year Challenge. It's equally exciting to see organizations such as Total providing our young Fijians the opportunity to realize their capabilities and creativity. So to the organizers of today's event, that's Total Fiji, I commend you for your efforts in putting this together. I was informed that the Startup of the Year Challenge was held simultaneously in many countries around the world, and the first prize winner from each country will have the project presented to the international grand jury. Such international exposure, particularly to our young budding entrepreneurs, will not only build their confidence, but motivate them to succeed. Most of us don't get that exposure at that age. And I would like to thank Total again for thinking that far, bringing young people together from various countries to share their dreams, to discuss their challenges, and find a path forward. Ladies and gentlemen, to be innovative and entrepreneurial means to be willing to devote yourself fully in making your businesses, particularly business ideas, a reality. It means you have what it takes to critically think and come up with new ways to solve challenges. It can be as small as changing the way we order food. This is very common in many other countries, to something as big as contributing to reducing our environmental impacts. More than ever, Fiji needs young citizens like you to stand up and showcase your inherent talents. Your vision, enthusiasm, passion, flexibility, determination, and resilience will allow you to succeed. More importantly, a successful entrepreneur must be confident and should never retreat or give up at the first sign of difficulty. No business is easy. It's not an easy path. Some are lucky, some might not be lucky. And the ones who are not lucky, they have to keep trying, finding alternative ways of doing things, but ultimately they will find success if your mind and determination is at one place. So never give up. It's just the start. One of the best aspects of organizing such initiative is that you allow Fijians from various backgrounds with different ideas and dreams to come together and network. Regardless of who wins, you instill courage and hope in our people who develop enough confidence to put together the business ideas. And I have just heard from the previous speaker that a lot of awareness was conducted and road shows were conducted. And that's probably the reason as to why Fijian applications were third highest. And that's a good sign. If you want to raise awareness, probably that's the best fit that we've got today. I'm also told that there were a lot of participants who got the chance to empower and encourage each other whilst nervously waiting for their turn to pitch their ideas to the panel. So to all the participants, I think we all should give them a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, the world is constantly changing with new opportunities emerging, and a true entrepreneur will make full use of them. You can be assured that the Fijian government is there for you and will provide the support and guidance that you need. Let me also share one of the Fijian government's initiative, which is the Young entrepreneurship scheme, we call it YES. YES is a testament of government's continued commitment towards the development of a talented and competitive young workforce. Now, with the age limit increased to 40 years and the amendments to the eligibility criteria, more young people have the opportunity to make their business dreams and ideas a reality. And we welcome a lot more applications to come to our ministry. In fact, we are receiving applications, but I personally feel that we need to do a lot more in terms of awareness raising. According to the 2017 census, half of our population is below the age of 27, and 69% of Fijians are below the age of 40. And YES program, that means, is for a lot more people. And I encourage all those who are below 40 to please put in your application. Why we are encouraging young people to participate and to stand on their own feet? We recognize that Fiji is a very young nation, and if we give the right resources and support, we can achieve a lot rather than simply being job seekers. You can become job creators, and that's the main reason why we are encouraging, because often when the graduations are held at the end of the year, all fingers are pointing towards the government saying that, this many people have graduated, where is the job? Now we need to change the dynamics. Not necessarily the government has to create all the job. The fact is that the government has provided a platform for education. So if you are innovative, talented, you can pursue your dream with or without government. And that's what we want to encourage you with. We encourage you to develop, transform, and implement projects that lead to job creation, as I said earlier on. And I am confident that as youth of our nation, you have the capacity to develop innovative solutions, not only for business purposes, but for greater good of our society. Remember, innovation does not mean breakthrough technologies and cutting-edge scientific thinking, but it is about applying old ideas to today's problem or developing simple yet highly effective solutions to new applications. Ladies and gentlemen, our youth should not only be just looking for some form of employment. It should not be like that. They should plan their career. And nothing could be better than where the government is offering all forms of assistance. And I think the youth should capture that, grab that, use that for their own benefit. And today I encourage all youth present here, actually below the age of 40, you all should apply for this particular YES program. And I also challenge our young people to think outside the box and make Fiji a hub of innovation for the Pacific and the world. We want you to be leaders in business, civil society, and government, putting your ideas at the forefront of Fiji's development. And with your innovative spirit, I'm sure you'll be able to achieve that. With those words, congratulations to the winners of the Total Fiji Startup of the Year Challenge, and my best wishes to you, and I hope that you become most successful innovators and entrepreneurs. And I also take this opportunity to wish all the women happy International Women's Day, and I encourage more women to become business owners. So again, last time I want to say, apply for YES program. Thank you very much.
Big smile, congratulations. And locally grown produce in which women are involved in every step to set up. Congratulations once again. Let's give her